I love making tortillas, dude. They're the best. Nobody forgets their first tortilla puff. What's up? I'm Jonathan Zaragoza, and today we're making tortillas. Today we're using Masienda's new Masa Taquera. We have package instructions on the back, but like any recipe, it's just a guide. So you really have to get a feel for it. But this masa is actually awesome. It's about 120 grams of Masa Harina to 200 grams of warm water out of the faucet. As hot as your faucet gets is fine. Let's see where we're at here. There's a couple of tests that I like to do to make sure my masa is properly hydrated. When you're working it in a bowl, you really want the bowl to be clean of any masa, scraggly bits. Your hands, when you're kind of done, shouldn't really have masa on them. So this is what I'm talking about. If your masa is looking like this in your hands, you got to keep working it, okay? We'll get it, we'll get it. It's feeling a lot softer, more supple. It's pulling clean off the bowl on that end there. Ball of masa here. It's feeling really, really good and hydrated, okay? So here, take a little bit off. Works in between your hands here. Should be a smooth little ball, like that. But when I press on it, looking for cracks around the edges, that's gonna indicate that you need a little bit more hydration. Some slight cracks, but nothing crazy. I still think it needs a little bit more water. All right, here we go. Yeah, but close to Play-Doh, that texture is what you want. That's looking a lot better right there. Nice stuff. It smells good, you know? It smells like really good corn. Okay, we have our tortilla press here, lined with a little bit of plastic. I'm gonna take some masa. Ideally, like a table tortilla should be around circumference-wise 5.5 to 6 inches and about 35 grams per portion. So before we hit our plastic here, you're gonna roll this between your hands, and then I personally like a 3-fingered press just to get it a little bit flatter. Then you're gonna put your plastic down on it, okay? And I do a little palm action there. From there, we're gonna go into our press, and you're not gonna crank down on this. You're really just kind of feeling where the hinges, just when they press it thin enough, and just go a touch further than that, and that's gonna be right around where you wanna be. We're gonna peel this top layer. I'm gonna flip this plastic side over. I'm gonna pull back the plastic, it's on my hand. But notice, it's on half my hand. It's not all the way on my hand. Why? Is because when I come to the comal, I'm gonna try to catch that edge on the comal. I can see it releasing around the edges there. I'm gonna flip it. That's one flip. We're gonna let it cook pretty much fully on that other side. That's the cara. And the pancita is this side. That's the side that faces up towards the protein. I'm feeling the bottom of the tortilla, and right now I can feel that it's leoparding nicely. We're gonna flip that. We should ideally get a puff, but if you don't, add a little bit of pressure where it's steaming back here, and that's gonna push all that steam from your beautifully hydrated dough out to the other side here, and that's ideally you get a puff. Beautiful. And when you have that cook at the bottom of the pancita, tortilla's done. But not really. The last and final resting place needs to be a tortillero lined with some sort of towel, and that's going to keep your tortillas super, super pliable and honestly give it its final cook pretty much in there. Ideally, when you make a tortilla, you squish it between your hands here as much as you can, and it should do that, unfurling back onto itself. And that's the sign that you did pretty much everything right. You got a puff, this passed the squish test. That means the elasticity is perfect because of your hydration, the grind, and the nixtamal process. You want to do it on a nonstick? Okay, for funsies, there it is. And of course, that's the most perfect one we made all day. Look at that. I'm sorry I said funsies. I can't wait anymore. Tortillas, still steaming, all right? Look, crumple test. Look, this has been sitting here for like 35 minutes. That's what you want. It's my emotional support tortilla, look at this.